Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED and WOLED MAL. Screen size 42, 48, 55, 65, 77 inch Europe and 55, 65, 77 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 1300 nits and 3000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 57 ppi. Video processor P5 AI Zen 8. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. FreeSync G-Sync yes. Anti-reflective coating yes and no. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 2 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.2. RJ45 ports 0 and 1. 3.5 mm audio jack yes. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Chromecast yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 2.1 70 watt and BMW 3.1 80 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 and AC4 yes. Detach X yes. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 22 into 107 into 68.4 cm and 1712 into 1017 into 67 mm. Weight 19 kg and 18.5 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm. Special features OLED EX 3-side ambient light next gen. Swivel stand up to 65 inch. Height adjustable 77 inch. 2024 remote with QI charging. Detach play FI wireless audio game bar and 4-side ambient light next gen. Metal fit stand. External subwoofer connection. 2024 remote with QI charging. Detach play FI wireless audio game bar. Tuners DVB, T2, S2, C. Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.